Hello and welcome to PPLIO. In this video, we're going to walk you through how to invite new users to install the PPLIO People Connect app. Firstly, we need to ensure all the users are added. Navigate to the Org Users tab under User Management. Here, you can add people individually or in bulk. If you're adding just one person, type in their details and click Add User. For multiple users, you have the option to upload a CSV file or sync directly through Azure AD. Once your users are in the system, inviting them to PPLIO is easy. Just find their name in the list, tick the box next to it, and click Invite. They'll instantly receive an invite email from PPLIO, which allows them to download the app. It also has the installation guide in it. Once the installation is done, users have to verify their account using the OTP sent to their mail. Then click I agree to give consent. Finally, they'll set their work schedule start and end times. At that point, the PPLIO Assist window will appear, and that means the app is active and ready to go. As an added feature, you can manage your admin users from the Admins tab here. If you'd like to create a new admin, simply use the Create New Admin button, pick someone from the existing list of users, and assign them the right role. You've just seen how simple it is to invite and onboard new users to PPLIO. Thanks for watching.